Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In today's we'll try to compare the display comparison between the MI11 versus MI11X device. As you can see, friends, this is a MI11X device and is a MI11 smartphone. You can clearly see that. And this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers asking me to compare the both displays. So MI11 versus MI11X device. As you can see, friends, this is a question which was I got yesterday. So I thought of making a video on this one particular topic because I did receive this kind of similar kind of messages so much before. Because the reason is that I started to include the videos on the MI11 device recently, and a lot of viewers are really interested to know the display quality of this mobile phone, premium and smartphone, when compared with this kind of close to premium and mid-range, close to premium segment, which is the MI11X device. So let's see, friends, which phone has got what kind of specifications first, and then we will be moving into the display comparison. So first thing, let me try to show you quickly the screenshot of the both phone specifications, which phone has got what kind of screens, and both phones, they do have the AMOLED type of screens. As you can see, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus certified, but the brightness level is 1500 nits and brightness level is 1300 nits, as you can clearly see. In case if you want the outdoor visibility, make sure to comment below. I can do that video only depending on the comments. I'm trying to make this many videos, friends, not just because I want to make. So only based on the comments only I was able to make these videos. So make sure to comment below in case if you are interested. And 6.8 inches screen, 6.8 inches, which is a curved display in the MI11 device. That's a really good, interesting display which we are having in this MI11 smartphone. As you can see, friends, which is really good. Some people they like it and some people they don't like it. It's up to their opinion. There's no problem in that. And the resolution is of 2K resolution, as you can see, friends, 1440 into 3200, which is present in the MI11 device. This is a 2K resolution, and the MI11X has got the 1080 resolution. It's slight difference will be there. Yes, if you notice, if you play the high resolution content like 4K and 8K videos, then definitely you'll notice a lot of difference between both of the smartphones. So that is what I'm going to do, friends, in this test. Let me quickly show you the display as well. So both phones will have the same kind of settings in terms of the display calibration and everything. So there's nothing difference in that kind of thing. I'm trying to use the same mode right now. You can clearly see that. And I'm trying to use the Quad HD resolution in this video for the demonstration. So you can actually get some kind of feel as well when you're trying to watch the videos. I'm not sure exactly whether you'll be able to notice the difference or not in this video, but I'll do my best to play the video, which is a 4K video, and let's see which phone will be having the better kind of colors and saturation levels. As you can see, friends, these are the colors. These are how it looks between the both phones. So both phones looks kind of really same to each other. Nothing much difference you can actually observe if you notice the colors between the ants and trees. So as you can see, friends, clearly there's nothing much difference. You will be able to see at this kind of point. As you can see the difference. So slightly more saturated, a little bit. You can see on the MI11 device. So the Quad HD display, you are seeing little bit kind of slightly saturated colors, little bit more. That is what I would say, definitely. But for watching movie experience, this Quad display looks really very good. This kind of Quad HD display, and watching in the curved display, which is really amazing, friends. As you can see, the colors slightly saturated, a little bit more on this tone. That is what I'm trying to notice. Colors slightly more saturated. As you can see, the skin as well, which is more saturated. So in this video, you will be able to see it clearly, the difference between the saturation, how much is there between both phones. So obviously, friends, the price difference is a lot between these both phones, but still, in case if you're curious to know, if you're an MI11X user and if you want to know how close it is to the premium end smartphone, you can see it's kind of really close to each other, nothing much difference. But both phones, they do have the same kind of filter styles where you can enhance the colors. As you can see, this is a normal color. So till now I was using the vibrant color. Let me try to use I did not use any kind of filters in this phone because I did not even enable the video toolbox. So these are colors which they look between both phones if you compare side by side. Let me try to turn off the screen lights, so maybe you might be able to see something different. So both phones have the deep blacks, so there's nothing much difference between the both phones in terms of the colors. Everything looks kind of similar, as you can see, friends. If I turn off the lights, you won't even able to notice like which phone is which display is kind of which phone. So unless you notice the curved display, let me try to slightly decrease the brightness and see which phone will be having the better kind of display in terms of low brightness. So both are really, I think, very low in terms of the brightness levels. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick review and comparison between both phones, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.